Hi guys, happy Friday. How are you guys doing? It started to rain today here in California, which is pretty weird. It wasn't announced that it was gonna rain. It just started raining out of nowhere, and there was thunder and lightning, so it was pretty scary. But it stopped out of nowhere as well, so it's not raining anymore. There's no more lightning, no more thunder. I was actually at my parents' house, and as soon as it stopped raining, I just decided to head back home. Especially since I have my little one, I didn't want him to get sick or anything. And besides, it's pretty dangerous when it's raining outside. I didn't want to be out in the rain. But yeah, anyways, I'm home. I am cozy here. My baby's playing in the background. And I just wanted to show you guys a few items that I found at Dollar Tree today. Okay, so the first items that I'm going to share with you guys is these mermaid fin or mermaid theme pens. At first when I saw them, I thought they were makeup brushes, but then I took a closer look and I realized that they were pens, and these are really cute. They're very, very detailed, and they come in turquoise blue, pink, purple, and green, so I got one of each. These are also perfect for like stocking stuffing. I don't know why I keep saying that. Stocking stuffers. So yeah, I picked up one of each. The next thing that I purchased, I've seen people haul these a lot, and I thought they were actually bigger, but they're actually pretty small. These are tiny little things, but they're still so pretty. These are beautiful. This one says count your blessings, and look at the little top. It has like this little diamond shaped handle. So this is really pretty, and since this one was already pretty opened, I went ahead and peeked inside just to see what it looked like. And it had this little paper, and it, bless you, Papa. It just had like these little quotes on there, like for example, blessed are those who trust in the Lord. Another day, another blessing. Prayers go up, blessings come down. I like that one a lot. Blessed are the pure in heart, for they will see God. And then the last one is thankful, grateful, blessed, and loved. Really good quotes. I really love them. So I'm thinking about also giving these as little stocking stuffers for my aunts, my godmother. I think these will be really pretty for that. So I picked up this one that says count your blessing, and then our prayers. And this one comes with the same little paper in there, the same little quote. So that's pretty good. Really pretty, very detailed, very nice. I was also thinking if you guys wanted to use them for like a baby shower or a gender reveal, you guys can spray paint these yellow and make them like little honeycombs, like the little honey pots. This would be really cute for that. So I picked up 2 of each. In total, I got 4 of those. And then I also got 2 of these. So I picked up 2 of these. I think these will actually also be really cute for the theme, the bee theme. You can spray paint them even gold and like paint these with a paintbrush black if you guys wanted to, or white. But I think this is really pretty too. My sister-in-law saw them and she's like, I don't know what's so special about them, but I think they're really, really pretty. So again, I got 2 of these. So the next 2 items that I found, I was really, really excited about. It's these little mini vases. Look at how cute these are. Usually they do come bigger, but these are just like a little mini version of them. It's like someone just shrunk them and made them small. Look at how tiny these are, but these are so cute. This one actually, my sister-in-law picked it up and purchased it, so I just said, can I borrow this please? She went to a different dollar store. She didn't take me with her. I mean Dollar Tree. She didn't take me with her. She went pretty far, and she found one and she brought it. So I'm like, please let me haul this because I have not seen this at our local Dollar Trees. Like I've been to probably 3 different ones and I have not found these. But today I did find this one, and it's also a little mini one. It's a little bit taller than the other one, but it's really cute, really pretty. And these are tiny little things, so I think these are so cute. I actually purchased 2 of these, and I'm thinking about using them as stands. So instead of like a little vase, I could use these as stands. I think that would be so pretty. So yeah, I got 2 of these, and my sister-in-law got 1 of the other. But look at how tiny these are. These are so small and cute. Again, these just came into my local Dollar Tree, so I picked up 2 of these. I think these are cute for the bathroom. I'm gonna use these somewhere in the bathroom. My baby's looking at me like I'm crazy. And in the baby section, I actually found these little sponges. Well, this is a sponge. And it came in the puppy, a little piggy, a bunny, and I forgot what the fourth one was. I think there was 4 of them. I think it might have been a frog. But these are so cute. So I picked this up for my baby so I can use on him for when I give him baths. And then they had this little hand towel. So I don't know if you would use, I usually use a little washcloth to wash him with. So I think I would use this for that. I'm not too sure. What would you guys use these for? That's what oh, it says hand towel. Okay. So it's a hand towel, but I would just use this to scrub him with. So yeah, little puppies. So guys, this is actually the second time I filmed this video. The first time I tried doing it at my parents' house, but I didn't have a tripod. So I ended up recording everything like this. Like I was cut from my nose down and I just thought it looked silly, so I had to do it all over again. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just gonna show you guys a few items that I purchased at Dollar Tree. I'm actually at my parents' house. We came to visit. My baby's sleeping, so I'm gonna take advantage and show you guys what I got. So if you guys are interested, she told me she was gonna be my camera girl, but she never told me that I was cut in half. So shout outs to you, my #1 fan, but I have to do this video all over again because I was just cut in half by the face. So yeah, this is my second time filming this video. Anyways, so the next item I wanted to show you guys is these little trinket trays. This one says Shine Bright. They also have the Dream one, and I already have the Good Vibes. They had a whole box full of these, but every single one of them was chipped. This is actually the only one that I found that was not chipped. And I know I've watched other YouTubers haul these or show them in the shop with me, and a lot of them are chipped, so I'm guessing they're not taking care of this packaging or they're not wrapping them up like they should. But yeah, all of these were broken except for this one, so I just went ahead and grabbed it. And it's actually pretty beat up though, but I still think it's cool, so why not? So next I bought these 2 boxes. I think I'm gonna spray paint these and use them as shadow boxes. So I was really happy when I found these. These were actually covered up, so in the beginning I didn't know that they had the little clear top to this, but someone that ended up moving the top box and ended up seeing, so I ended up grabbing it. And yeah, I got these 2. If I don't use them as shadow boxes, I can just use them as Christmas presents, to wrap Christmas presents in. So I grabbed 2 of these. Okay, and the last item that I did find was this. I know this has been around for a while, but I recently saw a few YouTubers who use this as a snow globe. So I was like, oh my god, that is so cute. I definitely want to try it. So what they did is they spray painted this bottom part gold or silver or rose gold, whatever color you want. And then they spray painted this top as well. Pretty easy to come off. And let me see this part. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty easy to come off as well. So then they put fake snow in there. And they put like a little, I think it was a snowman or a little angel. And then when they shook it up, the snow fell on them, so I thought it was really pretty, and I want to try to do one, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to DIY this one. And well, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys do, please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna go ahead and get back to you, little one, because he's tired. It's time for bed. Actually, it's 9:54 here in California, so yeah, it's bedtime for him. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. See you guys later. Thank you. What happened, boy? What happened? Are you saying hi to the people viewing? Yeah. Okay. We're all done. We're all done. You ready to go Mimi's? Okay. So one more thing, guys. I just want to share this one thing with you guys. I purchased this one at Five Below, but I just wanted to share with you guys. Look at how pretty this elephant is. This one was $3. I also purchased it today. Look at how pretty he is, and it's a nice, decent size. It's not as small as the ones from Dollar Tree, but this is so cute. It's kind of like geometric in a way. Look at how pretty he is. For $3, I'm like, I'll take him. He's like a little pearl blue color. Kind of looks just extra shiny on camera, but in person it's just like a pearl color, like a pearl blue color. And that's it. That's all I wanted